So this is flow at 3,000 RPMs. Right now the pump is on 3,000 RPMs, and that is the flow. This is with the jets open and everything. That's max flow. This is all we got coming in at 3,000 RPMs. That's it. Now I'm going to close the main jets to show the difference. So at 3,000 RPMs, I'm going to be right back. I'll keep the video going so you can see that I'm not changing anything. That's 3,000 RPMs in the return. So if I close this, so basically I'm shutting off the spa jets because I was getting extra flow out of there. This is going to show what those returns are going to be like. All right. So now, again, pumps at 3,000 RPMs. So at 3,000 RPMs, with a 2.5 horsepower pump, that water should be shooting out, not coming out like an old man peeing. That's it. That's ridiculous.